Hi guys, it's David here from One Step at a Time, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix, well, hopefully show you how to fix, or how I fix when you get this missing codec and you get that error 0xc00d36b4 and it won't play your files. This is what happens. It plays the audio in the background but it won't play the picture. So I'm going to quickly show you how I fix it. Now you can go looking for the proper codec to play it and stuff, but this is what I do. Close that, minimize that. Best option is to go to your internet browser, go to VLC, and I leave a link in the description for this. And you just come here and download this. And when you've downloaded it, run it. And when it's running, then all you have to do is you need to set it as your default. So to set it as your default, press your Windows key plus I, and then come into your apps, uninstall, and then go to default apps, and then come down here where the films and TV is, and choose VLC media player, and then just close that down. As you can see, it's changed to this, and then if I double click this, it shows your media playing. So you can use it for your music files and stuff like that. So I hope it helps. If you did, hit the like, subscribe if you want, and I will catch you in the next video. Cheers, bye.